Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is doing well. So today I found an interesting thing in the SEC dumpster. Well, for some people, it might not be that exciting for others. So is Rexshares working on something new? So I think the answer is yes and no. So this new ticker symbol is AIPI. It's a funny ticker symbol, but I guess it kind of makes sense. It's a Rex AI Equity Premium Income ETF. So it'll be similar to FEPI. And this is where I'm not too excited, where I think it might be a little too similar to FEPI in that it's still like a covered call ETF within like the technology space. But of course, like nothing is final. As you can see here from the SEC document, it's still subject to completion. And then also the expense ratio is a little bit higher at 75 basis points, but it's not too bad. I guess like I guess if they're able to pull in a little bit more income each month, it could be worth it. So it seeks to provide exposure to companies that are at the forefront of AI technologies, and they want to generate income by selling call options on the stocks of these companies. So it's not too surprising here. And this is based off of something called a BITA AI Leaders Select Index. And I was looking around for like this exact name of this index, but I couldn't find anything. This is like the closest thing that I could find on like the website. So I'm thinking this might be the same one. This one is called the BITA Artificial Intelligence US Giants Index. So I'm assuming that this is what the cover call ETF will be based on. So as you can see from the names, it's not. I guess like for myself, I'm not too interested because you already have like Nvidia and other places. Palantir, I noticed a lot of YouTubers lately are, for some reason, they like to sell covered calls or cash secured puts on Palantir. For what reason, I don't know why. I guess maybe it's just one of those like meme-ish type of stocks. Sentinel One seems pretty good. Dynatrace, Altair Engineering, Informatica. And I'm not too excited by C3 AI. I'm not sure what Alarm.com is. Ambarella could be interesting. But anyway, you can look at this like at your own time and decide for yourself whether this is something that you want to get into. The managers don't seem too bad. At least they have like one CFA charter holder as a portfolio manager for this ETF, so it could be interesting. What I would like to see, I would like to see other sectors that going forward, because I think having too much in the technology space right now might be a little risky. But that's just me. This might be good for some people. I think the performance could be okay if it matches what FEPI can do. I think that'll make a lot of people happy. But I still think that you would need other income-based investments, like it could be treasuries, different aristocrats, rental properties, whatever. And of course, like the usual risks are like there's no control over the option strike selection. Implied volatility definitely is collapsing, and things can get cheaper. But so far, FEPI has been doing okay. I'm glad to see that some people are making money with this one, so that's always a good thing. Of course, like the yields won't be consistent month to month, and you can't borrow against them, at least not yet. And my concern is that when the bubble pops, a lot of these cover call ETFs could run into a lot of trouble. So just be careful out there, guys. If you like this type of content, please consider giving this a like. If you can subscribe as well, that would really help out the channel. I want to keep it around longer, and I will also like to keep it free. So thank you for watching. Please help out the channel if you can, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye now.